Hello everyone, today is another unsolicited feedback, today about Excel-like tables for Confluence. So let's jump into it. The app looks pretty promising. It says that it can do really like everything, like Excel do like sums, counts, comparably to Confluence tables. It seems much more powerful if you look at Excel capabilities, so you can filter, you can do many more things. So when we installed it, we have a starting page and allows you to insert macros in read or write mode as well. So I have created two tables, pretty basic tables. I was actually surprised that it looks like an Excel. So there is no actual difference. Like when you have data here, you can have tables, columns, you can have sheets, you can, do like diagrams and so on, which is really surprised me. So it feels like full Excel sheet. However, it sounds like it's fully disconnected from Confluence because I did want to assign some roles to particular people. You see, you can comment, so I put, oh, would be nice if you can mention. I think this is pretty missing feature, but overall, and it does look like it more or less helps you not to jump between Excel and Confluence, but it doesn't add any collaboration functionality or capabilities. So you can embed tables, you can edit them here, but there is no drastic difference with me opening table and having a link here. If I have a table Excel file somewhere in the cloud, or like Google Sheet or like Microsoft Office 365, I could basically edit it there, put a link here, and so on. So there is no much difference because there is no capabilities here to mention people, to notify them that the file was changed, and anything like this. So I would say it's pretty powerful like Excel. I would call it from this perspective 4 out of 4, whereas, and you can also of course import, export, and sounds pretty powerful stuff, but I wouldn't give it 4 stars because I would give it 3 stars out of 4, mostly because it doesn't have any collaboration functionality. So it's more or less doesn't prevent you from switching between different tabs, but it doesn't add anything extra. So this is my verdict, and if you want to hear more unsolicited feedbacks, please let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.